Oh yeah, it gets worse. This is down the back. I've got a wood pile down under the tree here. Most of it's all rotted away now. I don't know how much of that is usable, but I'm going to try and get all this cleaned up and sorted out as well too. So let's see how we go. Oh, something that you probably need to realise about hoarders. Not only do they collect stuff, I've collected stuff over the years. Yeah, I'm going to use it one day. I've always got a use for it. It just collects up, and yeah, for me it's time to clear it out and get it sorted. So here we go. Okay, something else that I thought I should mention about hoarders. Not only do they collect stuff, yeah, I'm going to use it one day. Now I'm going to try and build this woodshed without buying any materials. I'm going to try and use what I've got. So we'll see how far we get. All right, so the first thing to do is move all these bricks. Oh, and I've found more timber here too. We've got to get this sorted. And yes, this shed in here is full of timber as well. So I've cleared out the first pallet of bricks, and now we're just starting on the second. Got a bit of clearing to do, and I've been doing a bit of levelling as we go. Alright, I've just found a little nest of those little skinks, so I'm just moving these bricks, and little baby ones, tails dropping off. Sorry guys. Alright, well here's the last of the bricks. I finally just moved the whole pile, stacked them up here, and yeah, that's what you call double handling. And we'll go back and have a look and see what it looks like. Just got to clear a few things near the shed. Alright, so here's the next stage. We've just removed the 1.5 crates of bricks there. They were there, so cleared it up a little bit. I've trimmed that tree. I've got to take that trunk out. That's still a job to do. And this tree here I'm just going to leave. I've trimmed it a little bit. Might see if I can trim some more, but I'm going to see if I can stick a shed in this corner here. Alright, just letting you know, here's a bit of an update. Got the tree stump out. Still got a little bit of levelling to go, but we're making progress. Not sure what to do with this tree still. See how we go with it. It's right in the middle of the whole garage at the moment, so it's a little bit too big to take out. I'm going to leave it there, but I'll just get the rest of this levelled out.